Computer Network Administrator program at NAIT is an 8-month program. You will receive a certificate. Students can expect to learn a lot of IT technology. We try to keep up to date with the current technology, so things like cloud computing, virtualization, operating systems, networking, security, things like that. The jobs sort of vary, so they can get things like a junior network administrator, an IT administrator, service desk support. Students also have an option after CNA if they wanted to continue their education by getting into, say, like second-year network engineering technology or going into the Bachelor of Applied Information Systems Technology. Traits of prospective students for the Computer Network Administrator program is one thing, you like technology. Another thing is you like change. Because there's always constant change, you have to be used to changing things and always updating your skill sets, education. There's always lifelong learning involved. We have a lot of partnerships with industry members that actually help us to make sure we're teaching current skill sets. If you're interested in getting up-to-date skill sets that will help you in the workforce and get the practical experience, come to NAIT.